Go to the pen tool in Affinity Photo's toolbar and hold down the shift and create a very quick line. Go up here, stroke settings, and set it to something like 100 so you can see it. Then go down here to pressure. So with all these settings, you've got a whole load of other ones, arrows, etc. But pressure is very good for creating really nice profiles. And I'm just going to move that slightly out of the way so you can actually see the line. It's not very helpful if this panel is over it. Now you've got 2 points there, and at the moment it's all 100. So this is 100, that's 100. You can click anywhere. Just click down there, along the line that is, of course. And it'd be nice if you could click down below as well, of course, and it would just move down for it. But however, it doesn't work that way. So you can just drag that down. So as I drag that down in the center, that's the center of there, you can see now at the center, that's 0. Because it's 100, if I put it to there halfway, that's 50 now. Now I'm not going to come out with a measure to work it out, but I think that's about half of the other one. And you can do that obviously up to there, 75, 25, and so on. Now if I go here, what I can do, I can drag those down. However, both sides drag down at the same time. There's no unlinking, unfortunately. I don't know of a way of unlinking. So you can just drag that and drag that. It's not ideal because you might want it obviously smaller one end than big there. However, what you can do, you can add other points. So I'm just going to add another point and maybe another add point there and then just drag that up. So that's 100 there. And down there, I'm just going to make that 0 there and 0 there. So you can see you can create a variety of different designs. However, a workaround to create it is you can add a point very, very close to there and you can fake it to make it look, but it doesn't do it perfectly because of course it's not. Now, if you accidentally go off it, it will draw an extra line. But you can see you can, unfortunately you can't zoom in there. You can do sort of there and small there if you want to. And you can save the profile. So all these I can save. So I'm going to click that. But this is per document. That's the key thing to remember. So when you save your document, you go to File and Save. You save it and this is saved with it. You open a new document and that profile is gone. Profiles are not stored like that. So what you can do, if you've got one document with one profile and another document with another profile, you can simply obviously create a path and then copy it into this document and then of course save the profile that way, if that's what you want to do. So you can move this and create all kinds of unique design like that, where it's very, very thin. Very thin there, maybe make there. And again, you can see you've got very thin line, thin there, and obviously a bulge there. And again, save profile, and it's stored away. If you want a sort of cliff edge design, what you can do, you can go here and you can drag that up, say there, drag that up, and you can move them along. You don't have to keep them, so you can push them along. And now they will only go so far. It will hit a barrier, that's it. So that's as far as it will go. But you can drag it the other way and you can sort of create cliff edges. So you can just go straight down and you can create all kinds of unique things. And again, save profile. So you can see this is a very flexible tool, other than the fact that the ends, unfortunately, are linked. Very odd feature. I'm not certain why. Save profile. Guess it's just the way they've done it. However, you've got all these profiles. Well, now you can apply it to other ones. So you can decide, you know what? Let's go for a circle. So just apply a circle. You can see what happens there. You can create a very unusual design there for that circle. And you can just go back here to the profiles, pressure, click there again, and you go, I want that one, or that one, or that one. So you can see, create different wonderful designs simply by going through these profiles. And you can still modify it. So you just go, you know what? I want that slightly different. Now, let's just quickly go all the way up to the top there. So you can just see it. So there, the top, if I drag down, that's the start point of the whole thing. As you drag down, you can see this and this. That's probably why they're equal. I guess that's the way they've worked it. However, if I drag this one down, so let's put this back up again. Just put those up and drag this one center. You can see the result there. Just obviously all the way around the other side. And there it gets thin there as well. Or if you want to, you can go there, drag that one down, it got thin there. Or if I drag that one, obviously the other side this time is modified. So that's what it's doing. It's going all the way around that path using this feature. And again, you can add as many. I don't know if there's a limit. Sometimes it doesn't seem to let you actually apply it. I'm not certain why. My apologies for the spinning wheel. Seems to be an issue with this. It occasionally just pops up. You can add quite a lot of points, but it's a very small panel, so you can't obviously add vast amounts. But again, say profile, and you can see you can create some quite abstract sort of profile designs there. Let's see, there might be a limit. It might just turn around and say, nope, can't do it. And again, tweak it, and you can create some very odd designs using that. And again, say profile. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.